cash buyers.
Yeah.
How are you selling your deals? And you're sold $70,000 deal here. So like you're obviously very good at the dispo side as well as the acquisition side. So
yeah,
how are you doing that? And how are you so good at it?
So I'll give you one thing, right? That's the dispo side is one thing I have not fired myself from. So that's the first time I'll admit that to everybody, right?
Oh no.
I've never admitted that. But the dispo side, I've never fired myself. And it's because it's been very easy for me. And I'm gonna be honest with you, right? People make this really, really hard on themselves. I'm gonna break down wholesaling to you. Find cash buyers, ask them what they want. These are the questions you ask. How many acquisitions do you do a year? What types of properties are you looking for, right? What do you want to make gross on your flips, right? And what type of financing are you using? I've been selling these properties to the same people for the last 3 to 4 years. To where sometimes in the beginning, I used to use MailChimp where we blast out obviously a bunch of emails to all of our cash buyers, right? To a list of 5,000 that we're scraping. But if you guys can get yourself 10 to 15 buyers that actually buy, you won't, it's a phone call. So, and I want to break this down even further, Zach, right? Do you eat Chick-fil-A?
Oh yeah.
Okay, right? Everybody eats Chick-fil-A, right? So here's my analogy on this, bear with me. So I think that Chick-fil-A said, hey, everybody always gets honey mustard and they get Polynesian, right? What if we fused it together, right, and made something fantastic? And we're going to call it Chick-fil-A sauce, right? So what they did is they listened to the consumer. They listened to the consumer. And that's what we do as wholesalers. All we need to do is listen to our consumer, our buyer. If the buyer says that they want houses in this zip code that have a pink door and have this and they want to make 20%, well, all you have to do is get it for cheaper. That's it. So the disposition side, to be honest with you, is very, very easy. And what we do is we do not sell in the first 48 hours. We never sell in the first 48 hours, okay? We get them to submit offers. And, we say it's not a bidding war, and it's not, but we do take the highest and best. And what I mean by that is, and it's the truth, we always don't take the highest because the highest could be a hard money deal.
Yeah.
Right? So we do take the best offer. Also, it's also based on, the buyer, right? If I know them and I know they're going to produce, a lot of the times I'm seeing this, some people are wholesaling to wholesalers and they get caught up. So, that's something obviously, right? But, that's my answer for dispo. Sorry, I didn't mean to go.
Yeah, it's great. It's really sexy to say you have a dispositions person, but it's not sexy on the profitability side. And this is a stupid question again, is it easier now to find a cash buyer than it was 3 years ago?
Yes and no. I think it's the same. I think it's the same. You know why? Because cash buyer, especially in Florida, is very easy. If you literally go and grab bandit signs and literally put them on the corner, and there's a science to that, but there's a sauce to that because remember when I started out, I was going to all these bad neighborhoods and, I'm there putting out bandit signs and I'm like, why isn't anybody calling? Well, I would notice that they would call, but sometimes, I don't know, I wasn't paying attention. I would get more calls. And what I found out was a secret sauce, and I'll share here on you, is that if the car lane is this way, a driver is sitting on the left-hand side of the car. People put their bandit signs on the corner on the right-hand side. You got to put it across the street on the left-hand side so that they can see it, right? So that's what I started doing. Calls started coming, and then it's so easy. We also do ghost ads or ghost posts on Craigslist. So we'll take a property that I know is like a hot property in my area, like a 3-2, 1,200 for 90,000, right? In Florida, houses, or in Orlando, so at least 230 average. So $90,000 house, somebody wants that. And we just tell them, hey, if you want to buy it, contact us. And in all reality, we don't have the property, but we're basically lead capturing buyers. So I was doing that back then, and we're still doing it now. I think it's always been easy, but that's my opinion.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, the bandits. You're talking the bandit sign kid that's done. I was obsessed with bandit signs. So yes, took me a lot of bandit signs to learn that trick. So yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.